If you are looking for a working Helium 10 coupon code, then this video will help you get the best available discount on Helium 10 plans. Right now, you can get 20% off for 6 months or 10% off every month on the Platinum plan, depending on which deal fits your needs. So let me show you exactly how to claim the discount step by step. First, click the exclusive link given in the video description. Once the page opens, you will land on the special Helium 10 offer page. Here you will see both available coupon offers on the screen. The first offer gives you 20% off for 6 months using the code ALLCouponCodes20. The second offer gives you 10% off every month on the Platinum plan using the code ALLCouponCodes10. Now you can choose any deal according to your requirement. If you want long-term monthly savings, then choose the 10% off Platinum plan offer. But if you need the Diamond plan, then scroll down, select the Diamond option, and click the Claim Offer button. Make sure the Diamond plan discount is only available with the 20% off for 6 months offer. After clicking the Claim button, you will be redirected to the Helium 10 checkout page. Here you can see the discount is already applied automatically, so there is no need to enter the coupon code manually. Now, simply create your account using your name, email address, and password. Then continue to the payment page, enter your billing information, and complete your payment. That's it, your Helium 10 discount is now successfully activated. If this video helped you save money, make sure to like the video and subscribe to All Coupon Codes for more exclusive coupon codes, software discounts, and online deals.